Now I'm going to show you how you can add point of interest in our mini map. So before that, we have to fix some note in our blueprint. So in our map system event begin play, I'm going to remove this part. We don't need this one. But in our mini map, insert this basic data from map system, remove this one, and then we have to get actor of a class, map system, and then I'm going to promote this map system right here. Now in our main map, here you can see we have this point of interest. So I'm going to duplicate this one, and this is going to be point of interest minimap. Let's drag this inside our minimap. Then I'm going to open this minimap point of interest, and in graph setting, we don't need this animation. Also, we don't need that note. Now in event tick, we can remove all of this note. Level dimension, canvas dimension. Also, we have to create another variable float, and this is going to be zoom. Okay, instant editable expose on spawn. That's all I have to do right here. Now in our minimap, go to graph setting, and then create a new function. This is going to be add point of interest on mini map. I have to create an input, set this to actor reference, point of interest owner. Okay, after that I'm going to create widget. This is going to be mini map, point of interest minimap. Plug this minimap dimension. I think I'm going to rename this with mini map dimension. Okay, minimap dimension, and then level dimension, and we have this minimap zoom right here. plug this owner to owner, and then we have to get this overlay reference. Add child to overlay, and then set vertical alignment to center, set horizontal alignment to center. Okay, that's all I have to do right here. And now I'm going to open my actor point of interest component. And then let's create another variable. This is going to be show on minimap. So I think I have to make some space here. Now let's create a sequence. Add point of interest on compass. Okay, now show on minimap. Is it true? Create a branch. Is it true? Then in our map system, we have to call web based minimap. Let's get this minimap, and then add point of interest to minimap. And we have to get our owner. Let's set this to variable to true. Now here I can see we have icons in our minimap. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how you can update that minimap icon location in our compass, in our minimap.